Construction measurements and rates, part 5. I'll be picking up from where I left off in part 4. The unit for length, which is a meter. It is the most used unit of measurement in construction. Practically, there are times when meter is too large a unit to measure items. So use the millimeter, which is the smallest unit of measurement for length. Where a meter is too small a unit to measure a particular item, for example, for roads, for long distances, you use the kilometer. As I said in part 4, the metric system is the base 10 system. You move 10 increments at a time when you move from one unit to the next. So 10 millimeters would make 1 centimeter. 10 centimeters would make 1 decimeter. And 10 decimeters will make 1 meter. So between millimeter and meter is 1,000 units. So 1,000 millimeters make a meter. Because if meter is too small a unit to measure something that's very long, you go to kilometer, like roads. So between meter and kilometer, it is 1,000 units. So 1,000 meters make 1 kilometer. I will be comparing some of the frequently used measurements on your measuring tape. So I'll be going through those that are more popular on your construction sites. So there are some that are not so popular. I probably skip those, but the ones that are very frequently used, I'll do them. 1 millimeter is 1/32 on your imperial tape. And some tapes carry both metric and imperial. I'll skip some as I go along because some of them are not very popular. So 2 millimeters will be 1/16. 3 millimeters, 1/8. 5 millimeters, which is 3/16. Then 6 millimeters, which is 1/4 inch. 10 millimeters, which is 3/8. 12 millimeters, 1/2 inch. 16 mm is 5/8. So when you're talking about the 5/8 steel, that's 16 mm. Did we say 10 mm? 10 mm is 3/8, and you use 3/8 steel as your horizontal bars in the wall. 19 mm, which is 3/4 inch. 22 mm, which is 7/8, and then we go to 25 mm, which is 1 inch. So we take it from 0 to 25 mm, the same as 0 to 1 inch.